Nature's views and love. Welcome to our People's Park adventure here in San Carlos City. Is namin diri sa People's Park, San Carlos.
Yeah, and so far it looks great. Beautiful day. Nice breeze coming in off the sea, off the estuary. And
So,
I think it's going to be a beautiful day in the Philippines, baby. This is the People's Park in San Carlos. And we've just got here, and tour guide for today, Miss Dawes.
to be honest, I'm so proud of my husband kasi pusong Pinoy na talaga siya, guys. Pinoy na Pinoy.
So this is my tour guide, and she's been so far really good. And now we're going to get underneath the Philippines flag, Filipino flag. These are, I think, metal, maybe stone, but they look really good. Place for the perfect waffles. Great places for family to play. And that man there, he's selling ice candy, I guess. We're going for the sea view now. Ah, fishing. They're fishing. That roof was damaged in a storm, Baguio, but it's still good. And we're going to ask them if they've caught any fish.
Yeah, we can go there.
Fishing. Not really. We're just going to ask these lads if... These are the miniature model houses. There's some more over the other side. Nice to come and chill and relax. That's my tour guide there, waiting for me. That's a meeting place. I think anybody can come here. And you can have your meeting, whatever it's about. And now we're gonna go up on the very top. This is the, let's call it the tower, and the People's Park is where people come for picnics, enjoy snacks, and that's my TikTok tour guide.
Lock lang ga.
Yeah,
Lock sa behind the pole.
yeah.